All right, so this is LinkedIn, and this is a very magical tool you should use when it comes to getting quality leads. Yeah, this is a tool that can create magic for you. This is my profile, but this is what I want to focus on. There's something called sales navigation. It's a tool you should not undermine because it's a paid tool, but you have like 1 month of free trial, which you can use the hell out of it. So that's what you should be using. It's what companies use to hire. It's what brands use to source talent. It's what people use to find clients. So it's a tool you should use. It's called sales navigation. This is one I have here. This one here. Let me zoom it out. So this one, sales navigation, right? And that's what it is. Then so let me take you to the entire tab. You can get into this by simply just though you may have to pay over time, but now you can use the 1 month plan and do what you want to do and remove your card afterwards. It's okay to use free trials when you don't want to pay for the full package. So that's what it is. So let me take you to Sales Navigator itself. So this is what it looks like, Sales Navigator. I want to show you how to get quality leads, what's it called? Big money, small list, literally. So now you come here and you ask. So, but before that, let me take you through an extension you need to do it properly. So there's something called Scale List. Let me take you through Scale List. Oh, how do I find it? It's an extension actually. So let me look for Scale List extension. Scale List. Extension. Yeah. So this is what you should search. So now the thing is, so it's on a Chrome Web Store. You can always use this. So it's actually a LinkedIn scraper, an email finder. So this is what you should be doing. So you should just come. It's already on my stuff already, which is this. Yeah. So that is telling me to remove, but I already have it here, so I'm not removing it. So what you have to do is even have to go, turn on your Sales Navigator, which is this. Also, make sure you install Scale List on your Chrome browser. Chrome is better because it supports a lot of tools, even if you can use Edge or other ones. But I always want to use Chrome because it just has all I want. It's the most optimized web browser. So just do what works and don't experiment. So just come here and add to Chrome. And once it's added to your Chrome, you're good to go. And that's it. I'll show you how to use it on the next steps. So this is it. Come back to Sales Navigator. And this is the export list. See their logo, export list button. I'll show you how to use this soon. But now, people come here and they look for people's. So let's say, okay, it's only real estate. I want to target CEOs, people that have the money. Remember, we are selling a property of 280 million. If you remember from yesterday's conversation, 280 million. So let's look for who are those that can afford this property. This is where you come and look for them on LinkedIn. So you could say geography, as I mentioned, always work with your current city. So let's say Lagos, Nigeria, Lagos State, Nigeria, include, yeah. That's that for that. Seniority level. Okay, you just keep adding to all this. So as you keep adding, it starts saying people's names by default. So that's one good thing about the tool. So company, I don't want to put in specific companies there. So if you're targeting people from specific companies, you can do it here. Like you just say people from Dangote refineries industry should see your stuff. But I don't want to tie it to only Dangote refinery. I want CEOs that look a certain way. So I don't want to tie it to only one company. So that's why I'm trying to not to do it. So you can also come to company count, because so the CEOs that have 1 to 10 employees may not have the money to buy a 280 million property. CEOs that have 11 to 50 may not. But CEOs that have 51 to 200 employees, they may. Yeah. CEOs that have 210 to 500 employees, oh, nice. If you are paying that much in salaries, you should definitely be able to afford something worth 280 million for yourself. So let's choose this company's head count. I just hope you're all following, because this is something you will not find on the internet. Honestly, I'm sharing this with you because you are in the program. I don't share this with everybody. So Just choose all these numbers, because if you have 1,000 staff strength, when you have money, I don't even care what you're doing, you have money. You have 5,000 staff under you, you are doing something right. You don't do that by mistake. So let's say 1,000, 10,000 people, and 10,000 plus people, and let's leave it there. So people from 1 to 50, let's leave them. When they blow, they will see your ad, but now they should not see your ad. So that's that for let's reduce this. Okay, so that's it. Then operate, you can say current job title. You can now come here and choose chief executive officer. Yeah. So this is it. So we want to target only CEOs. We don't want to play around circles. So this is it. So with this right now, you can now target people that are doing interesting work. So now we've been able to streamline to know CEOs that have this amount of staff strength, currently CEOs, yes. At the same time, they're in Lagos, Nigeria. So you don't want to target someone that is, as I mentioned, real estate is very geographical. So even if these persons travel around a lot, right? It's true. But it makes a lot of sense if the property is within arm's reach for them. Let's say you have to only do a 10 minutes drive to inspect it. It makes more sense than all the way in Abuja or in Port Harcourt. I have to fly down to Lagos. Even if I can afford it and everybody, it's extra stress for me and it's not convenient. Probably I don't have plans to go back to Lagos in about a week, but I could always drive down to Lagos to that property in 10 minutes since it's within reach, right? So I told you about how starts with a custom audience or start with Lagos, Nigeria, then use lookalike to find them wherever they are. I'll show you that with this strategy. So this is what it is. So now with this, you cannot export these leads. These are all leads. With this, they have their name, they have everything, they have da 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 da. So what you do now is you tap on select. So now give us 25 selected people. You can add as much as possible. This is a sample stuff. I won't take so much time with this. You can keep adding as much people as possible. And yeah, that's what it is. Sorry, I think I took this down. So once you do this, you come and tap export leads. Verifying. Good. It will take you to scale list. Yeah. So where it would aggregate all of them. Give a list name. Let's say Lagos CEOs. Okay. CEOs. I thought I missed it. Export list. I have plenty, so I'm gonna be fine. You have to carry your leads. Just let's see what we can do with this. It's a sample thing. Once you pay for it, you can give us as much as possible. Sorry, I missed that. Extracted is loading up. Not for now. So now, remember I told you it's extracted list 60. So when we did that stuff, it pulled out a lot of persons' phone numbers. So these are their names. This is their job title. The company, Mono, MTech, Elix Energy Solutions. These are all CEOs in Lagos that have over 50 staff at least they have over 50 staff under them. So that's what we're looking at. Bright Chimeze, Bright Properties, all these persons are all CEOs. And da 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 da. I'd have to break it down. So now the good thing about this is, okay, I'm surprised. I know it doesn't have to do all leads. Select leads segments. Only this lead. All leads, please. Search emails. So I want to just show you this. So searching emails is free on this tool. It doesn't pay. You don't have to subscribe for credits to search emails. So you get 60 credits when you sign up for free. I'm telling you, this is the Ojoro that nobody will tell you on how to do. So people run ads and they just start running cold ads. Don't do that. You are too smart to blow your money like that. You can use what they call a custom audience, in the sense that you use these people now and target them. Then you can build out people like this. So even if you don't have the money to buy for more emails, you can use this simple one you have now and look for every other person that looks like them. Yeah, so I'll show you how to do it via custom and lookalike audiences. It's super easy to use. So the CEO of Rent Money is here. So this is actually his name, Kamabushi. So the thing is that some persons are also on, what's it called, on LinkedIn Premium. For these CEOs, they're mostly on LinkedIn Premium. I'm also on LinkedIn Premium. You can tell the Premium not to attach your emails. But for those that are not on LinkedIn Premium, we can always do this. So this is something you can do as much as possible to get the most number of emails. Then you can use it. So the reason why it says no email found is because some of them are exempted because they are on LinkedIn Premium, and that's how you can get emails. If not, some person will do this and bombard their emails. So this is a way for them to protect themselves. So that's what it is. So for these persons right now, you have your stuff. So the CEO of these companies, CarryWise, in fact, CarryWise CEO's email is here. So this is actually one Ojoro. Nobody will tell you. Simba Group. This is Obasi. This is a valid email. These are emails. You can pause Africa. This is the CEO's email. Where again is here? Dufil Farmer. This is CEO of Dufil. If not Dufil, it's I think they're the ones that do Indomie, if I'm correct. So that's what it is. So this is something nobody will tell you, but that's why you're in the class, right? So with this, you now have their email. So what people do is they go and start blasting them with emails and say, hello, sir, my name is this. I have this for you and this for you. Will you buy it? Don't do that. Code emails really convert because there's trust issues. So what you should do is export CSV. This is what you should do. Export a CSV and put export all these. No, put only export valid emails only. Export CSV and it's going to download for me. Can you see it? It's downloaded. So with this, we've figured out LinkedIn, Sales Navigator as well as Scale List, and this is what you are done with this. You have no business here, but you can keep coming here to add more emails, buy more credits, just find money and buy more credits, and keep doing more of this and get more people's emails, and it's all for good. So now let me stop sharing this and take you to how to use this on Facebook ads.
That's exactly why I created the Sales Domination Blueprint. After turning down 94% of clients requesting to work with us, I realized something. The industry needs this knowledge. Not just a few select clients, but every motivated consultant who is ready to dominate.
My name is Realtor Bernice. I took Mr. Chris Ogechi's property sales domination course, and I found it very, very valuable. It covered a lot, from Facebook targeting the right audience, targeting paying customers, high-end individuals, targeting them properly. He covered it all. Then how to also use WhatsApp marketing to market your products properly and ensure that the right audience are seeing it, especially audience that can pay. He covered the mission course so beautifully. How about the LinkedIn sales navigation course? Oh my God, that was an eye-opener for me. I have never seen anything like it. The way he covered the LinkedIn sales navigation course, for me, that was my best. He also taught how to, build your social media presence, build a strong brand for yourself using social media, and then how to grow on social media. In fact, he revealed a lot of secrets you will not find anywhere else. Trust me. You want to take that course if you want to change your game in the real estate sector in Nigeria. You should take that course. I highly recommend it.
This isn't just another course. This is the exact system we've used to generate over $5 million in real estate sales, build a reputation that attracts high net worth clients, get featured on major platforms like Forbes, CNBC, and CNN. Create automated systems that sell while you sleep.
My name is Fina Esquire. I'm a realtor also. I want to say thank you so much for every value you offer to us on your 2-day lecture. Like, I don't even think that if I'm going to pay that money, That money was too small for all the knowledge you imparted, ranging from the LinkedIn down to the Facebook, down to using Chat GPT, down to using Wamation. I can't name it. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Thank you for even the Facebook sponsored ads. Like, literally, my business is actually facing a whole lot of change here because this has actually elevated me, and you're the best. Let me just use the word, you're the best.
Inside the Sales Domination Blueprint, you will discover how to use AI tools to create content that converts, the exact Facebook ad strategy that targets wealthy Nigerians abroad, our proven WhatsApp automation system that nurtures leads 24/7, the step-by-step process to getting featured on major media platforms for free, LinkedIn ads that attract high net worth clients.
Hi, my name is Ken Brown. I'm a real estate consultant with Exclusive Realtor, and I want to use this time to appreciate teacher Chris Ogechi, aka Kappa Click. All right. It was a very great time we had on the weekend. Kind of a 12 hours class. You don't understand. So it has been impactful, informative, and eye-opening to other tools that we are not paying attention to. So this video is to thank you for the amazing class.
Now, you might be thinking, this sounds expensive, but let me ask you, how much is one high-ticket real estate deal worth to you? 5 million naira? 10 million naira? More? This entire system, the same one that generated over $5 million in sales, is available for just $25, 25,000 naira. That's way less than what you could spend on 2 weeks of ineffective Facebook ads. But you must act fast. This offer expires in 30 minutes and the price will increase to $40, 40,000 naira. Click the enroll button now to secure your spot in the Sales Domination Blueprint. Remember, in the time you've spent watching this video, the top 7% of real estate consultants have probably closed another deal. The question is, will you keep watching from the sidelines or are you ready to join them? Click the enroll button now. Your future in real estate starts today.